The last concept we're going to discuss for now is easing. I'm going to create one more timeline, which I'm going to name easing, and I'm going to create a keyframe at time 0 and a new keyframe at time 4. At time 4, I'm going to move my sphere, so I've built a very basic animation. You'll notice for a non-handoff animation, there's a small set of blue dots on the screen that indicate the path that the sphere is going to follow. Normally, these translations are interpolated linearly, which means the speed of the sphere at the beginning is the same as the speed of the sphere at the end. To change this, I can right-click any of the properties and change their easing. Easing indicates that as the time enters or exits a given keyframe, the interpolation should be slowed down to cause a nonlinear interpolation. I'm going to change the ease out on this keyframe, and you'll notice that now the X interpolation is moving at a different speed from the Y, so the path is changed. I'm going to change the easing on the Y as well, and have it ease out to 100%. And now you'll see when I press play, the ball starts very slowly and speeds up through the animation. Easing out refers to the speed as the time leaves the given keyframe. I can also change the easing in on the end keyframes to cause the ball to slow down as it reaches its endpoint. Now the ball will start off slowly, speed up, and then slow down at the end. Easing can only be used for animations that have a distinct start and end point. So unfortunately, they cannot be used for handoff animations like we used elsewhere. But for any animation that has a starting and ending keyframe, easing can be used. Between keyframe animation, motion path animation, and handoff animations, combined with event triggers, you can see how to control your animations interactively without having to write any code at all. This is one of the strengths of the Windows Presentation Foundation, and should allow far more interactivity in future applications.